course, this is the yellow bird, but it's in yellow blackbird, I guess you call it now. This is in anticipation to Ridox build there, GT5 or GT Planet. Everything is stock here. Everything is default. I just wanted to run it to see what kind of lap times I could get with it before we do any mods, any tuning. See there, I just pulled it to 937, which is, by the way, the fastest I can run this thing. Pretty much. It's a little squirrely. On its own, it's not a bad little car. I like it a little better than the Ferrari as far as handling goes. Of course, this is on sport hard tires, but that's what it came with. I didn't bother switching it to comfort, soft. Not knowing what the build is going to be, I thought I'd just leave everything the way it is. Wow, I changed my rims a little bit. That's it. As a kid, this is always a dream car of mine, and actually I was fortunate enough to drive them when I was a kid. It's called Autoport, where all these cars came in. I had a job driving them from the boat up into the stockyards. Quite an amazing car. When you're on the acceleration like that, it's just you're just being pulled right back in your seat. Let's try and hold something different there on that one. Anyway, that's it. Pretty much. I'd share this with you guys, and for the upcoming build and anticipation for that. I got my car dirty. I guess it's not going to show me parked over there, is it?